strategic business
unit.
and also C CDU. What do you think the full form of this? Cash generating
Not ICU.
ICU intensive care unit. After this class, everyone will go there. Now, if you take your group, what do you think the smallest unit together perform as one single entity in generating the cash? Now, for example, if you look into a grocery shop, the cash generating unit for the grocery shop is entire grocery shop is one single cash generating unit. But if you go to Lulu, still one business. But they have a hypermarket ground floor and not hypermarket, grocery store, right? We call it the ground floor is hypermarket or grocery hypermarket? Hypermarket. And also upstairs what they have? Department stores. So do you see that there is a two segment of business? They are generating cash separately. They are separate staff, separate assets, separate activities, and you could separately identify how much the cash that you can generate. And I told you, separate assets. But I told you, separate assets. Now, in a group business, you could have several. No, sorry, before that I need to just wrote in this word here, strategic business unit. These business units are arrangement in order to conduct a business in a more agreed way, so that the benefits of that business carries to that separate every single business unit. Whereas what is more important is cash generating unit. Now in a group, as I told you, that cash generating unit you could identify separate assets, or you could even identify your book balances, meaning assets and liabilities. So let's say you have property, plant and equipment. Let me say you have goodwill and you have current assets, and this is the total assets that you have. Now the point is, if it happens to have impairment, let's say my total impairment of this cash generating unit, let me just put some numbers. This is 600, this is 100 and this is 200. So total how much? 900, right? My impairment is 230. How much is my impairment? 230. How I am going to distribute this impairment? I told you double entry. I will debit impairment expense and I will credit the given assets. So these are my given assets now. I have property, plant and equipment, I have goodwill and I have current assets. Now, how you are going to distribute this 230 among here? There is an order given by standard. Standard says full amount of goodwill or any intangible assets first. Even before that, this is second. First is any identified damages. If they say that there is a natural disaster, one of the plant fully demolished, and if you know the net book value of that plant, part of the 600, first you subtract that. current assets. Remember this. The impairment loss has nothing to do with your current assets unless it specifically said remaining proportionate on current assets will not be impaired unless any specific circumstances. Now, a warehouse is damaged, for example. When the warehouse is damaged, the inventory also gone together. I remember some incident from Sri Lanka. Now insurance became like famous, building insurance became famous in Sri Lanka a given time period. These rice mill owners, what they did, they went and fired the building. And they claimed full insurance from the insurance company. Earlier insurance company fall into trap. Then later they filed case and then they put everyone into jail. So anyway, this is the order in which you need to distribute this. Now here how much? 230. How much is the goodwill? 100. So I will subtract 100. So I need 230. So 130 left. That 130 will be from this 600 I need to take down. So total 230, total 700. So then on this basis you need to amortize. Understood me? Or otherwise easy way is 600 minus 130. And in this you have the, if you have the breakdown like motor vehicle, like furniture, then you need to know the breakdown of this, and this 130 should be a portion based on that breakdown.
Given this.
Yes. So this is what you need to do. So I think I have discussed almost all except one thing. Could I reverse the impairment loss? Yeah. So that we discussed also in the previous different session. So I think that's almost everything. Let me see the slides, but can we get the technical guy over here?